Hi friends, this is the Retired Old Monk and today we are with the Vivo Y95. We are going to do the unboxing of the device, we will do the hands-on, we will also check out the first impression, how the camera works and talk about a little bit on the gaming section as well below. Talking about the Y series is always known as a budget friendly by Vivo. It comes with the Hello Full View display. It has a 20 megapixel front camera. It has a 4000 milliampere battery. This is the Nebula blue color. There will be a starry black color also at the same time. So two colors will be available for the device. And we are going to do the unboxing of the device. This is the first time that the Vivo brings a notch display in the Y series. Now talking about the notch, this is not the ordinary square kind of rectangle notch. This is the Waterdrop notch which the brands are bringing currently in their higher end smartphone. We can see this Waterdrop notch in the OnePlus 60. It was present in the Vivo V11 Plus and so on. So this is the segment what you are getting, the Waterdrop notch. So Vivo has done a great move here. In the box what we are getting, this is the device. We are getting some paperwork. You can pause and check out the star rating also. There is a warranty card. There is SIM card ejector tool. There is silicone back cover. This is the charger. Here you can see Vivo has always a tradition of giving a big charger, which means that it may have the fast charging support. This is the cable. Micro USB cable support is in the device, and this is the earphone. So I have to do some effort to take out the earphone here, and you can see the earphone looks pretty much similar to the Apple AirPods. So right now this is what we are getting inside the box. Talking about the design, I love the color. It comes with the Nebula blue color. It has a purple, bluish, violet, this kind of shade, and the shade gets just transformed in every form. The drawback is that it is a plastic body in the back, but overall the look and display is definitely good. Don't forget that this is a budget friendly smartphone. It is in the Y series. The device will be coming for 16,990, which is around 17,000. It has a power button, volume rocker key on the side, the dual rear camera setup, the fingerprint sensor at the back with the Vivo branding. On the top we are getting nothing. And coming to the side, we are getting the slot. We will check it out that which kind of slot it is. And here the slot, you can check it out. It comes with the micro SD card slot separately. It has a 3 dedicated slot. The other 2 slots are for the nano SIM card slot. Now talking about the nano SIM card slot, we are not sure that it will support, both will support the 4G VoLTE or not, but we will let you know in our review section. In the bottom you can see there is a 3.5mm jack, there is speaker grill, and there is also micro USB charging slot. Now talking about the device, it also has the face unlock feature with the fingerprint sensor for the security. So talking about the face unlock, it has a 20 megapixel front camera for selfie. It can do the face unlock at the same time. The face unlock feature, it takes less than a minute to do the registration. It is very easy and you can do that. I haven't tried and tested in the low light condition, but we'll let you know that also in the review section. Now talking about the device here, the device has been booted. We will also do the fingerprint unlock because in the low light situation we don't know that the face unlock will work or not. Now talking about the device, the fingerprint registration, I will show you that also. I will not waste your time by taking too long to do the registration. It takes a very less time, and once the device is booted we will get some of the updates here. You can check that it has a system update, camera update, network update. So it gets a major update once you are booting the device. So this is what you are getting after booting. So don't forget that it comes with the easy touch, which is actually a quick toggle. Here you can see it has the screenshot notification, screen lock. You can go back in the background and you can also go to the home screen. And there are few features you can do the customization on this one. It has a double easy tap to play it. You can change the opacity and you can make it completely transparent kind of look. So this is what you are getting with the easy touch. Easy touch is a quick toggle. Don't get confused. You also get a motorbike mode where you can ignore the calls, auto reject while you are driving a motorbike. You get a Joby, which is having a smart camera, smart scenario, and also the game mode. So the game mode will be enabled once we are playing the game, and it will not let the call coming into the whole screen. It will show you in the pop-up section. Talking about the locking, it has a face unlock and the fingerprint, what I have already told you. Now talking about the update log, here you can see that the network, camera, system, these are the updates we got in the current update, what we have done that. Talking about more about the device comes with the Snapdragon 439, which is the octa-core processor. It has a 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, and it also has a Fun Touch OS as a skin on top of it. And there are a few more things you can do with the device. What are those? Let me show you the RAM and the storage. Here you can see the RAM is 4 GB, the storage is 64 GB. It also has an expandable memory. I'm not sure that how much you can expand, but definitely expandable memory is option there. There are a few more toggles what you are getting with the smart motion. There is smart mirroring, there is smart split, one-handed screenshot, app clone, and smart click. Now going to the app clone, you can have the two accounts running together. Now smart click, it is the if you hold the volume down button for a longer time, what function it will go? It will switch on the flash or off. I have enabled it, and this one is the feature what I am taking right now to put the flash on off. Now here you can see the design is definitely a premium. It looks good, and the face unlock is also working ridiculously fast. It works good enough. We haven't tried and tested in the low light situation, what I have already told you, but definitely we will put that in our review. Talking about the benchmark score, here you can see the geeky benchmark score coming for the device. Now talking about the Antutu score, what it is getting, you can check the Antutu score here. And in the device, what sensors we are getting, I will talk about this also. Now as far as the device is concerned, the model number is 1807. You can see that it is coming with the Snapdragon 439 Qualcomm chipset. It is having Android 8.1 Oreo. Now talking about the display, it comes with a 6.22-inch display. This is actually a HD plus display. It is not a full HD plus display. It is coming up to 19:9 aspect ratio. It has a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera at the back with the LED flash. In the front you are getting a 20 megapixel camera, and the device has a 4000 milliampere battery, but still it doesn't look like that. It is very light in weight, what we feel that, and I guess that for a standard user it can run for 2 days. Talking about the heavy or the power user, the device may run for 1 day, but definitely 4000 milliampere is a huge battery. Now talking about the sensor, it has a gyroscope sensor, which is the good part. It has a rotational vector, step detector, so it comes with a proximity sensor also. Some of the sensors are there. You can pause the video and check out the sensors in the device. So in overall, the Y series is definitely not an entry level segment anymore for Vivo. It looks like it is going for the mid-range segment, and it will be soon competing with the V series. The Vivo V9 Pro is also at the same range nearby. Talking about the camera in the device, here what we are getting in the settings, there is a flash setting, there is a HDR setting, and there is also the portrait mode. I will put some samples of pictures clicked by this device so that you can check out the photo. There is also a live mode. Talking about the other modes, you are also getting the dock mode, the professional mode. So these are the modes what you are getting. There is also panorama coming in the device. There is a face beauty. There is a normal photo mode. There is a video mode. Talking about the video, it supports the full HD video in the rare section. It also has a 720p and 480p as the other option for taking the video. So this is actually a good feature. Now the device also comes with the Google Lens inbuilt in the camera app, so this will be much more beneficial to look it out into and search. So it is very much easier. I have tried and tested with some flowers, some of the leaves. Talking about the front camera video quality, it can shoot full HD video, and normal HD video. So 1080p, there is 720p, there is 480p. Now talking about the AR stickers, it comes with a pretty good AR sticker. It also has the music AR stickers at the same time. I will be attaching all the samples after this clip, and this is what we are getting. The AR stickers will be very helpful and lovely to play it around. It has some Indian customization also in the AR mode. Here is the rear camera sample using the normal selfie mode. This is using the portrait mode. And lastly, I have tried with the beauty mode using the AI at the same time. This is using the panorama shot where you can see the colors, and this is the rear camera using the normal shot of the Android. This is using the rear camera using the portrait mode at the same time. So talking about the gaming section, the device comes with the octa-core Snapdragon 439, which is a good chipset. It is not the powerful chipset. It has a 4 GB of RAM. Talking about the gaming, we will talk about the PUBG game. It comes with the graphic support of smooth and balanced. It doesn't have a HD, HDR or the Ultra HD support. Talking about the frame rate, it will support only the low or the high frame rate support. Now we have done a separate gaming video of Vivo Y95. You can check that in the description section below. Talking about the device right now, this is what we got with the Vivo Y95. The two colors are the starry black color and this is the nebula blue color. This is all about the Vivo Y95. It is costing around 16,990. This at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.